Today I will show you how it is important to know which grease or oil you use in your RC car. And depending on the components that are used in your RC car, you need to be careful about what lubricants you're using. I usually use regular machine oil in my RC cars and it worked really well. And one day I tried to use a grease, but I didn't pay attention to what type of grease it was. So I used a lithium grease like this, which looks like silicone grease, and I actually thought maybe it was that type of a grease with silicone, but it wasn't. And it turns out that all grease types except silicone grease can damage rubber, and probably it can damage plastic. So in my case I had this shaft with a plastic gear, and I think that one of the reasons why it got quickly worn out was due to using grease, this type of grease, non-silicone grease. And according to the theory, white lithium grease shouldn't be a problem for plastic gears, but in my case it doesn't say if it's a white one or not, it just says it's a lithium gear, and there's a possibility that you may make a mistake picking up the wrong gear. So I would just recommend go for a silicone grease. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And the second problem I had with grease is the environments I'm testing my RC toys are not very friendly. I use cars a lot in dirt, in sand, and once I used grease, I applied it once, and in one try this gear was destroyed because a very small, tiny sand particles got through the smaller spaces to the grease. The grease attracted all the dirt and passed the dirt to the gears, and just after I applied the gear and tried to play with the toy, the gear got worn out immediately. When I disassembled that, I saw that the grease was distributed along all the surfaces, and it had very tiny dirt particles. And if you can see now, there are no teeth on the gear at all, so I had to change it. So the grease becomes like a very nasty liquid, which becomes like sanding paper for the gears. So my conclusion would be that if you're using your RC toys in very unfriendly environments with a lot of dirt and tiny particles that can get into the gears, use oil. The oil pushes out humidity and water, and it's easier to clean. I had a difficulty cleaning out the grease. I had to use contact cleaner and then water, and then in the end apply oil. And when water gets into your toys, for example, if you try to dry it, you have a lot of grease in it. The grease forms a lot of kind of spaces and pockets where water can stay, and the warm air doesn't get into those spaces and water stays inside. But the oil is more liquid, it can flow, so it can flow with water. You can easily dry all the parts which have oil and water together. As grease is very difficult to remove, I applied this contact cleaner to the grease. It kind of broke it down and then washed it out with water, and in this way I was able to clean out all the grease.